What's going on, guys? We're taking a look today at the Savage Raven Skull & Co. StandGrip bundle for the Nintendo Switch 2. This comes with both the EDC Carrying Case, which is a slimmer version. It also comes included with the StandGrip, which is separately, I think, $17 or $18, while the case itself is usually $20, $21. So, and this was $32, so you're getting a little bit of a discount. The StandGrip does fit in the case. We'll test that, but yeah, should be fun. Before this, I checked out the Play Vital Meteor Grip and the Moomba Clear Case. Really didn't like them. You can check them out in my other review, but let's get going with this one. Opening this up here. You've got the EDC Carrying Case here, and the grip should be in the carrying case itself. Let's open this up. Oh yeah, this feels premium already. You can kind of tell just by that right there. Material feels really good. Got this little strap here, I believe. No, you actually can't take that out if you want to, but no worries there. And you have, there you see the space for the Joy-Con grips. Let's open this up. Nice zipper. And there is the case. Look, it comes with a Nintendo Switch 2. No, just kidding. Comes with a little polishing cloth. That's nice of them to include that. It's got this little strap here so you could lock in the PlayStation 2. Then we have game cartridge slot and a little pouch. Open that up. That's a really soft velvety type material. Just pull the grip out. Take out this cardboard. Got this here. Interesting material here. It's like, it looks glossy, but it's really, look, you could even see my face there. It's not glossy though. It's like an interesting kind of rougher type of texture, I think, to hold it in place. You have that all around here. It's pretty good. Wow, this feels much better than the Play Vital and the Moomba that I checked out recently. Yeah, this just feels like a better made product, and it seems like the grips have a little bit more depth. Yeah, you can feel. I'll put the Switch in right now, but you can feel like it feels like you're holding an actual controller instead of just like that. Plus, you got a little window for the Switch 2 logo, which is pretty nice. Let's put the case on first, and then we'll put it in the actual EDC case. Oh, that snaps in so easily. With the other two that I checked out, I had an issue just putting them on. And I felt like I was scratching the switch. This one's easy. I had to click that into place there, but that's fine. Let's turn this on. Get a little bit of gameplay going, see how it feels. Zelda is one of the ones where you I feel like you need a grip because of the thumb placement. Without the grip, my thumb is like up here and I have to come all the way down here and stretch it, and it really doesn't feel good. But here I'm actually gripping. I'm actually gripping onto it, which wasn't the case with the other grips. So yeah, this feels much better. This feels more like a controller than you're just holding a flat tablet. Feels really good. Port cutouts look aligned for the most part. Let's see up here. Game card slot. Easily accessible. Ports look good. Let's see the buttons. Yeah, feels good. Take a look at the back here. It's not like overly protective. It does feel slightly heavy, but the ergonomics are just so much better on this grip than the other ones I've tried out and the Switch 2 itself. So yeah, I'm liking this. Let's put this in the case. Fits right in with the Switch 2. We could pull this over, Velcro, boom. And then we close it up. No problem. For 32 bucks, I mean, I think this might be the ideal starter set. There's one big issue with this, with the grip. The actual case, carrying case itself is fantastic quality. So to pull it out, you just kind of grab it from the corner. Not super accessible, but not bad. Let's try the actual game cartridge slot on the carrying case. Pull out Zelda there. Yeah. You kind of got to open it up on these other ones. Not a huge deal. But the one on the corner actually kind of... Oh no, you do have to open it up. Fits right in like that. Pretty good. Then we got a little case for some cables. Maybe one cable, really not too much. You really can't put a power brick in there because I don't think it'll actually close. Maybe like a really slim one, but I don't think many people have those. Material is really good. This just feels well made, which hasn't been the case with some other Switch 2 accessories I've tried. So this gets a big thumbs up for me. I would say this is probably going to be my carrying case to start out. But yeah, this is really a solid deal. For $32, I mean, I don't know if you're going to get a better combo. At least to start out, you know, some of the cases really seem to have some design issues or aren't ergonomic. So I think this is a good solution to start off. The biggest problem I have is it's just not dockable. Like, I'm not even going to try it because I've seen it in other videos and it doesn't say that it is dockable. It's just a little too thick, so it doesn't actually slide in with the dock. That's an issue, but it's not too hard to pull it out. It's not ideal. You would love a dockable case, but to start out, I think it's a good option. There you go. It's on there. Got to click it into place a little bit, and then to take it out. Boom. Could be easier, but it's not bad. And especially if you play mostly in handheld mode, I think this is a fantastic option. If not, you could go for their Neo Grip, which has like the angled grips and also is dockable. But yeah, this is a good bundle. For that one, you would have to do a bundle with the Max carry case, which is just way bigger. And I like this slimmer type of carrying case just because I can actually put it in my bag. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this for starters. This is probably going to be what I use to begin with until they make something that feels this good, that fits this well with a carrying case and is dockable. I haven't really found too many of those, but if you have and you've tried some of the other ones and you prefer them, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, thanks for joining. See you guys next time.